So guys, today I am in Montreal, a city in Quebec province of Canada, and I'm just outside downtown area. This city is a French speaking city. I mean, most of the people speak French. Canada is overall an English speaking country, but in this city, Montreal, you will find people speaking French mostly. And this is relatively a cheap city in Canada if you compare it to Toronto and other cities. You can find a hotel room for $40 to $60. I mean, budget room for travelers. So let's check out what we can see in this city, Montreal.
It's so easy right now to tell you that you're the one for me. I've been thinking a long time, maybe we could rewrite our history. So come with me and we'll take on the world. There's nothing that you and I won't see. It's so easy to tell you, baby, you're the one for me. You're the one for me. We've had our ups and downs, that's for sure. And I swear I never found something so pure. Right now I doubt if I could want you more. I don't say this enough, but I'll never let you go. You're the one for me. I've been thinking a long time, maybe we could rewrite our history. Just come with me and we'll take on the world. There's nothing that you and I won't see. I've been thinking a long time, baby, that you're the one for me. You're the one for me. We've had our ups and downs, that's for sure.
guys, today I am in old Montreal city and it is very beautiful and historical place with a lot of restaurants and historical buildings, churches and many other things you can find in this nice place. It is not very far from downtown Montreal. You can take a train to this place and it is really beautiful. You don't miss this old Montreal city in Montreal, Canada. So I will be showing you some of the places here. Wow, Jiva.
That we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now all those memories are faded away and our flowers in the dry.